Okay, so let's start with the next ayah. The next ayah is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. So here it's another case where there are two nouns, but the first case was that if the two nouns are they form a simple sentence, a simple noun sentence. Uh, the next case was that if two nouns occur together and they're possessive. So now here, the two nouns occur together, but they're two adjectives. So that's the third case, where you have two nouns, but it's not a noun sentence and it's not a possessive. They're two adjectives describing a noun that preceded them. So here, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim is describing Allah. Rahman means the compassionate, and Ar-Rahim means the merciful. So it follows Allah in four things: gender, case, definiteness, and the vowel sound at the end of the word. So here the gender is masculine, the case is single, and the definiteness is it's definite with alif lam attached to it. And also the vowel sound is a kasra sound because it's following lillahi. uh, so now, as far as the root of each word, the root of each word is ra ha mim, and one follows the pattern fa'lan, and the other one follows the pattern fa'il. So you can see there are two separate patterns. Fa'lan has a general meaning of that it's something is a lot of what the root meaning is, and Rahim is has a sort of a passive and an active meaning of the root. So that's why, and so some of the other examples of the pattern of fa'lan are like farhan, or shaitan, or ghufran, or kufran. So those are some examples of other words that follow that same pattern. And of course, the pattern for rahim is a very common pattern of fa'il. It's used a lot for a lot of words like sami', basir, rajim, alim, alim. There's so many, especially a lot of the names of Allah, they follow that same pattern. The general pattern has the passive and an active meaning, so that's why it's used a lot for the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's stop there for this ayah.